Hi students, in this video discuss about on various in select statement. First of all, simple select. Select query is used to retrieve data from a table. It is most used SQL query. We can retrieve complete table data or partial by specifying the conditions using the where class. Syntax of select query. Select column name 1, comma, column name 2, comma, column name 3 up to column name n from table name. Example of simple select. Consider the following student table. It contains student ID, name, age and address. Select student ID, comma, name, comma, age from student. The above query will fetch the information of student ID, name and age columns of the student table and display them. Next one is where class. Now we will use the select statement to display the data of the table based on the conditions which we will add to our select query using where class. Let's write simple SQL query to display the records for student with student ID as 101. The query is select student ID, comma, name, comma, age, comma, address from student where student ID equal to 101. The following will be the result of the above query. Applying conditions on text field. In the above example, we have applied a conditions on integer value. But what if you want to apply the conditions on name field? That case we must enclose the value in single quotes. Some databases even accept double quotes, but single quotes is accepted by all. Syntax is select student ID, comma, name, age, address from student, where name equal to single quotes within Adam. The following will be the result of the query will be displayed. Operators for where class conditions. The following list of operators that can be used while specifying the where class conditions: equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, like and in operators. Like class. Like class is the conditions, the select query with the where class. Like class compare the data with an expressions using wildcard operator to match the pattern given in the conditions. Wildcard operators. There are two wildcard operators used in the like class. Percentage sign represents 0, 1 or more than 1 characters. Underscore sign represents only a single characters. Example of like class. Consider following student table. It contains student ID, name, age. There are 3 records. The select query is select asterisk from student where student name, like, single quotes, a, percentage sign. The above query will return all the records where student name start with character a using underscore and percentage sign. Select asterisk from student where student name, like, single quotes, underscore d, percentage sign. The above query will return all the records from student table where the student name contains d as the last characters using percentage sign only. Select asterisk from student where student name, like, single quotes, percentage sign x, single quotes. The above query will return all the records from student table where the S name contain X as the last characters. Between operator. Between operator, select the values within a given range. The values can be numbers, text, or date. Syntax of between operator. Select column list from table name, where column name between value 1 and value 2. The example of product tables. It contains product ID, product name, supplier ID, category, unit, price. It contains 5 records. Between operators, example, the following SQL select statement, all the products with a price between 10 and 20. Example, select asterisk from products where price between 10 and 20. In operators allow to specify the multiple values in a var class. The in operators is a shorthand of multiple or conditions. In syntax, select column names from table name, where column name in value 1, value 2 up to etc. semicolon. Another one syntax, select column names from table name, where column name in open bracket, then select statement, close bracket, and with semicolon. The example of customer tables. The customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, and country. It contains 7 records. In operators examples, the following SQL query, select all the customers that are located in Germany, France, or UK. The query is select asterisk from customers where country in Germany, France, UK. Result of the table will be displayed. The country name, Germany, UK, and France records are only displayed. Order by class. Order by class is used with select statement for arranging retrieved data in sorted order. The order by class by default sorts the retrieved data in ascending order. To sort the data in descending order, DESC, the keyword is used for the order by class. Syntax of order by class. Select column list from table name, order by ASC or DESC. Using default order by class. Consider following example, employee table. It contains employee ID, name, age, salary. The query is select asterisk from employee order by salary. The above query will return the result data in ascending order of the salary. Using order by class in DESC, consider the example described above. Select asterisk from employee order by salary DESC. The above query will return the resultant data in descending order of the salary. Thank you, students.